Hello, this video is the beginning of the Python basic course. This course is targeting complete beginners, so if you don't have prior experience, don't worry. During this course you will learn all required programming concepts and tools, and in the end you will make a complete game with your own hands. So, let's dive in. We will start our journey by installing the latest Python interpreter. If you are using Linux distributive, chances are that Python is already installed in your system. But you can install Python using your system package manager. Since the majority of users use Windows, I will show how to install Python on Windows. So, open your browser and go to the python.org/downloads. As you can see, there are several installations available for different Python versions, but standalone installers will be removed in the future releases, so Python Installation Manager is the preferred way to install Python on Windows. So click download the Python Install Manager and save it to the disk. Once Installation Manager is downloaded, just run it and follow the instruction. So we are going to install Python. Just click Install Python and installation will start. The installer will open console window and ask you several questions. You just use defaults for now. The default option is uppercase letter in the square brackets, so you can just press enter to install default value. And once again, and Python is installed. You can verify installation by running the command line. So press Windows button plus R and type CMD, which stands for command line. In command line, type Python --version, and as you can see, I installed Python version 3.14.2, which is the latest Python version by the time I recording this video. Generally, you don't need any specific software to write Python code, but to make development more comfortable and easy, we will install Pycharm IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. The best choice we have is to install Pycharm IDE, which is free to use, industry standard Python IDE. To do so, open your browser and navigate to jetbrains.com/pycharm and click download button. Once installer is finished downloading, just run it. The installation itself is a quite easy process. Just click next, select the folder where you want to install the IDE, and choose some installation options. I don't need the desktop shortcut, so I skip it, and I will create association with .py files, so every time I click the Python source code file, it will be opened in Pycharm, and I also add bin folder to the path. Just click install and wait for installation complete. Okay, installation is finished. Click the Run Pycharm checkbox and press Finish. Cool. Pycharm is running, and now we are ready to make our first project. I know that the blank page can be scary, so I prepared a game skeleton for you, which we will use during this course. To install the project, go to the github.com/importsys/pythonadventure, and in releases section find the video 1 projects tab and download the source code. Once source code is downloaded, unpack the archive somewhere into your system And once it's unpacked, go to the IDE. In the IDE, click Open Project and select the folder you just extracted. Pycharm will ask if you should trust this project. Sure you do. Just press Trust Project. And then we have to create the virtual environment. I will explain it all in details later. For now, just click OK with default options. And wait till virtual environment will be created. You can check the job status in the processes sections. Just open it and you will see what happens in IDE. It will take some time to index the project. Okay, Pycharm is finished to update and index everything, and we are ready to go with our project. Now open the main.py file, and here is our game code. I will start to explain everything in the next videos. For now, just try to run it. To do so, you can click the Run button, which will run the main.py. And voila, we have our game running. In the next video, I will explain you the project structure and we will make our player to move. So, see you next time. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Ciao!